talk on money, business, and investing. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. My name is Jose. I'm the founder of the company. Reporting live from the gym. As you can see, I'm on the bicycle right now. I've been here for some time now, okay? I said I was going to do a live stream. Last time we talked, I told you I was going to be at the gym. So here I am, encouraging you to work on your health, right? And wealth, happiness, and love. And we have the answers and solutions to be able to accomplish that type of an extraordinary life, okay? When we're fulfilled in the main pillars of life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. So what type of problems do we want to solve in the world? We need to use systems, right? To be able to market to hundreds of thousands of people, billions of people, millions of people, whatever type of niche you're in, there's an amount of people that we can reach on that niche, right? So if you can find a product that you can deliver to every person that has that problem on autopilot using systems, right? How we explain inside of our digital course, how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on, where you're going to be able to find the solutions, and you're going to be able to get all of the assets that we have available inside of our digital course to be able to invest on acquiring and building assets, right? So sometimes we can invest into acquiring an existing business, or we can also simply grab and create a brand right from scratch, you know? So we just focus on creating the brand from scratch, creating a solution that the world needs, and then we go from there, right? So we want to make sure that we are deciding whether we, building a company that is going to be here for the next generations, right? Meaning that it's a brand, it's not just a company. Because if it's a company, then it's going to be replaced by somebody else very quickly, okay? So a brand is a brand because it has intrinsic value, and it has intrinsic value, and it has business integrity or financial integrity, meaning that the 8 elements of a great business are in place. And we talk about them inside of our ebook, so go get it, link in the description, get into our digital courses, go into our inner circle, acquire the assets that we have. When you get in today, you get in it for a bargain. It's a great deal because tomorrow is not going to be the same price as today, as we add in more assets into that digital course. So each book that we have written in our company has been turned into a digital course where we are emphasizing on the subject of that book with additional videos, exclusive interviews with wealthy entrepreneurs and master investors on that niche, and other assets, documents, and information exclusively to those people that are part of that digital course, okay? So when you get in, you will always be grandfathered in, regardless of how much the price will be in the future, okay? So go get it right now, pause the video, link in the description, join me and start building your asset column with real assets that we control, all right? We're doing a live stream every day. I'm gonna be doing a desktop live stream very soon when I go upstairs and, finish some things that I gotta do. Then we can do, at the headquarters, we can do the live stream and talk about money, react to some business videos, talk about ways we can create passive income and capital gains income through sound investing, okay? That's what we're focusing on. If it's exchanging time for money, we're not interested. We did a review on this blog, forget the name of the website, but the entire blog was supposedly be about teaching people how to create money online, but the handle or the keyword, the main title was like passive income online, ways to create passive income. And majority of them, there was only about 2 of the options that they gave. There was about 16 options. And all of them was like trading time for money, basically having a job, which is, if you need to do whatever you need to do, right, to pay your bills and get ahead, right? And if you love your job, we need great employees. But aside from that, we're talking about building our asset column, whether you're an employee and you love your job, if you don't love your job, you know, we all fit in here in our channel, right? Here I'm Master Investor, because we just want everyone, including those who love their job, to begin to invest, to build assets. And the only way to do that is to have financial education, to invest in your financial education. So I'm encouraging to get our ebooks, get our digital courses right now, get in, work with me and our team so that we can help you build the asset column. And if you have an existing business, we can help you with strategies, innovate, and present different ways that the bottom line can be improved. Okay, we love to consult one-on-one, mentorship one-on-one our clients. We love to do that. Okay, we taking businesses to a whole different level, and we continue to maintain that partnership with those clients because they know what we show them and what we have works, so they see the results immediately. So it's a long-lasting, forever partnership that we have. Is a win-win. And here at Master Investor, we help our community understand that if it's not a win-win, then we don't want to be involved no matter how much the profits are. It has to be a win-win. And all parties need to be happy, and it needs to be an ethical partnership, okay? So get in our inner circle, take action, take control over your finances, make decisions in regards to your investing, because it's the only way you'll be able to escape the rat race and create wealth and be able to travel and be able to control your time. Otherwise, you're going to be chasing money. Here at Master Investor, we show you how to have the money chase us, how to bring in sales, to affiliate marketing, selling our own products, right? We're going to show you how to create our own products, right? And digital products. We don't need to touch the products. We have to get used to seeing the world, the new world, with our mind rather than with the eyes, because it's an invisible game, okay? Everything is digital. So get used to that. And start putting more value on the digital things. That's my message. And invest in your financial education, because it's the only way we can literally take control over our cash flow and our financial future. Otherwise, you're going to give your money away to somebody to invest it for you. You're not going to get any returns because it's going to be on fake assets. And those people are making money through commissions by having your money invested. They're not even making money like the way you want to make money. And so you're not an active investor. You will be a passive investor who lacks financial education, who doesn't know what to do with money, because it's not money that makes money. It's the knowledge, it's the financial education that we have. So it's not the investment that is risky. It's the investor that makes investment risky. So if the investor has zero financial education, the investment, even if it's a good investment, becomes risky, right? So understand that. Always go back to adding value into ourselves. So the best way to increase our wealth is to add value into ourselves, because when we do that, we develop our leadership skills. We're able to put a team together to see opportunities, and we can master the ability to create money with money through sound investing. Okay, there are a lot of people that have money, they win the lottery, and they end up being broke again, back to where they started when they had no money, because it is the mindset. It's the way they spend money, the way they use money, right? They spend money in liabilities before they spend and invest in where it's going to generate cash flow over time and over again, right? To infinite return on investment. And when we recoup the entire investment back and we have no money invested in the deal, but we still collecting the cash flow, that is infinite return on investment, which that is literally, if not the most important word aside from cash flow, because cash flow are the most important words in the business language, but infinite return on investment is up there with cash flow, because when we get into investing, we want to tap into infinite return on investment when we are investing, meaning that we have no money in the deal, but we still collect cash flow. It's printing money for us legally over and over again. Okay, either we using debt, 100% finance, we're controlling the debt. Every time we make a payment to the bank, there's still leftovers, which that would be our positive cash flow. So that debt is good debt because it's creating wealth for us. It's creating freedom. We don't have to work in that investment to create that money, and it's paying us every month, okay, in the form of passive income or positive cash flow. And when you sell it and get the gains, that's capital gains income, right? When you buy something at a certain price and you sell it for a higher price. But rule number one of our community here at Master Investors is that we focus on building passive income and making money work hard for us, okay? Because otherwise, we're not going to be able to have the freedom that we should have when we're building the asset column, right? It's only an asset if it's creating freedom and positive cash flow for us whenever we're not working, okay? Meaning that it has systems in place, is doing something with whichever asset class it is, right? We could be talking about 5 different asset classes. Number 1, real estate. Number 2, business. Number 3, crypto. Number 4, paper assets. Number 5, commodities. Those are the 5 asset classes that exist that a person can invest in. So if we're talking about real estate, then we can approach it with the right strategy, right? Acquiring debt, right? Using debt, good debt, borrowing money, so that we can acquire that piece of real estate property. And we control that debt as much as possible. Even if we had the capital in our hands, we still recommend that we don't put all of it down, right? Use the bank's money. So use our capital to raise capital, even more capital, and break our capital down to get other deals, right? So you need to understand how to strategize in how to raise capital, right? Only the lazy people, the financial uneducated, uses their own capital to invest only, right? A master investor uses our own capital to raise capital to invest, but we don't just use our own capital. We use the bank's capital, other people's capital, right? Because the bank's capital is other people's capital. It's OPM, it's other people's money. It's the savers, the people that are saving money. So the bank is in the business of lending money. They need to move that money into an asset. So we bring an asset to them. We say, hey, we're here. Look at this asset. Look at this building. It's been making money for the past years. Look at the tax returns. It affords the payment, the monthly payment of the mortgage for the next whatever many years, right? And it's also leaving us with positive cash flow. So that is a healthy investment. The bank cares about the payment being made every month. They can look at the paperwork that they can see in the cash flow analysis that you brought to them, that we bring to the bank, right? When we show them the financial statements and we present the opportunity to the bank, because the bank wants to acquire assets. So they will lend that money. They need to lend money and they need to acquire assets. They will only lend money when we're investing in something that is healthy, because they want to get that money back, right? And they want to get that payment back. So they need to put that money to work. And they have a CAMO score. It's like their credit score, a CAMO score for the bank. And basically, the more assets that they have, the more assets they have in the portfolio, real estate, etc., whatever the bank specializes in lending, right? Some banks, institution lends in real estate, lends in businesses, in different niches, right? But however, majority of banks lends for real estate, because real estate, you're putting the money on the land, you can see the product, you can see it, right? And you can see the cash flow. It's based on facts. You can see the passive income that is generating. So you can crunch the numbers and say, okay, yeah, it affords the payment and it's going to lift this much positive cash flow. And this is also how we can improve the cash flow by adding washers and dryers and new air conditioning. We can add $300 more or $200 more on top of each rent. So it's going to increase 1.5 million at the end of the year at the bottom line, right? So we can see things that the current owner is not doing, and when we take over, we strategize and we put those strategies in place that was lacking before with the former owner. So sometimes when we find mismanaged assets, is good. We just need to figure out, can we really do that? And will it increase, and will it justify the increase on the bottom line, right? It has to make sense. The numbers work in good deals, and the bad numbers do not work. Okay, I hope that you're enjoying the live streams. I told you I was gonna do a live stream every day, so we're almost done with our first month here of 2024. Look how time goes, right? We have to take it 24 hours a day. Every day counts. Focus on every day and put in that brick, right, as perfectly as we can. So every day we focus, and our brick is our dreams, our goals, everything that we want to do. So our 24 hours a day is supposed to dedicate it to our dreams. What are we want out of life? Okay, we need to reverse engineer that. So we created the 4 pillars of an extraordinary life: health, wealth, love, and happiness. We can't go anywhere without them. So focus on them, invest in your financial education. Money is as important as oxygen is. We can't go far without money. So master money. Make sure that money is our slave, and we have to make sure that money works for us through sound investing, all right? I'm going to talk to you soon. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to show you every day how to improve our lives just by consistency, getting new information, applying that information, turning that information into knowledge. The way we do is by applying that into our lives. So whatever we're learning, hey, what's up, David? I didn't even see David. My bad. Let me see if I can reply. Okay. Hey, David, I didn't even see you were at, somebody wrote here on the chat and I didn't see it, my bad. I hope that you come back. I'm gonna see if I can reply back to you. But hope you're having a great day, David. Thank you for joining. Oh, what's up? Hey, I'm interested if you need video editor for your YouTube channel, or shorts. Well, send me your work. Show me what you can do. I don't know, where are you located? What's your background? Tell me a little bit about what you do. If you have a company and that's what you do, let me see your other clients, if you have any, if you're starting out, tell me about yourself a little bit. I might need help. We have a team, but we're always looking to add new team members into our team, into our, whatever our projects here. We have different projects going on, so we can definitely maybe use your help and your services, depends. No promising anything, but you can send it, Okay, from Europe, what part of Europe? Why don't you send it to my email? Serbia, okay. Where's your work? In your YouTube channel? And what exactly would you recommend? What would you say that I need to do in the shorts? Okay, yeah, we'll send it there. Okay, okay. You can send it to MASTERINVESTOR@icloud.com. Okay, so, but, yeah, just send me some type of work. Let me see and what would you recommend? I don't know what are you thinking? But let's see. I don't know if we need anybody right now, but if I think of something, and maybe we can work together. Okay. If anything, also I get a lot of clients that need extra work, like in their businesses. So we always recommend them people so we can all give you some business as well through our clients. And then we can, of course, have a partnership and earn, we get a piece, we get a percentage of whatever you make on that client, because we brought that client into you. We do a mutual agreement. For every sale that we bring to you, we get a commission, and if we need you, we use your service as well. But send it over to my email, right? I appreciate you, man, stopping by. Hope you're having a great day. So, anyway, I was talking. Thank you, David. Have a great rest of your day. And remember, so 3 steps to create a wealth online. Step 1, we need a capture landing page. Step 2, we need an email autoresponder connected to that capture page or landing page. And in step 3, we need to have targeted traffic, which comes from paid traffic and organic traffic, like videos, live streams. It doesn't have to be our face. We can use YouTube to create leads organically to bring in people, put our message in front of thousands of people, millions of thousands of people. We looked at the most visited websites in the world yesterday, right, when we were doing our live stream on our desktop. And we found out that YouTube, we already knew this information, but maybe a lot of people in the chat found out that YouTube and Google are the most visited websites in the world. Think about that. So if we can create fresh content, we have a great message behind, it's authentic, we're creating blogs, we're creating backlinks, we're syndicating our content through different social media platforms, and we have the right keywords attached with the right sales funnels and the right product solution, right? At the end, with the right upsells then we definitely have a system of systems to create passive income and capital gains income, even while we're sleeping, to create money for us. And at the same time that money is coming in, we're using that money to even create more income because we have financial education. We're experiencing making money without working. And now we can double down on that marketing of that business, of that offer. It could be one single product. It doesn't have to be a physical product. It doesn't have to be even a product that we create on our own. It could be somebody else's product. It could be in the form of drop shipping as well. Or, you know, it doesn't have to be a physical product. It could be a digital product as well. And then from there, you build your email list every day. The goal is to collect emails daily. Every single day, we're supposed to be collecting emails, okay, of potential leads, of potential buyers, leads that are hot, targeted traffic, meaning that that individual enter and give us their name and their email, which is very personal, because they are looking for something that we have, which is the how-to of something and the solution. There are two types of people that we can find online. People that are looking for information, and people that want the product right now, the solution. So we are going to deliver a message to those people, educate the one that's looking for the information. That would be a lead that it needs to be warmed up, right? They know that they got a problem. They're looking for information. They're educating themselves on it. They're, you know, trying to walk through that water and then before they jump in. So we need to warm them up. And they're okay. We're going to have them on the list. We're going to talk to them. We're going to build rapport through email campaign. And I'm trying to read here. I was interested. Okay. Yeah, and then we can definitely begin to market to those people and give them value, okay? So when they enter that capture page, what happens then is very interesting. And I'm gonna show you an advanced strategy that we can add something that is called a bridge page. And basically what a bridge page is that we put a video after our capture page. We're giving them something of free, first and foremost, to the individual. Not all the time, but most of the time we're gonna give them a video or something to the lead, to the visitor, right? And we're gonna give them a solution, something, okay, how to create passive income using 3 simple steps. I use this one all the time. And that's how we get a lot of leads coming in to our capture pages, okay? And clients, because people are interested in creating more money without working, right? So that's the niche of Master Investor, people that want to create wealth and freedom, right? It's not just money, because a lot of people create money, but they don't create it the right way. Therefore, they have to chase money all the time. They're slave to money. They're not literally, they're not investing. They have a job, they own a job, right? Even if they have their own company, if they have to be at the company all the time to make the money, then they own a job. It's not a business for them, yeah. It's not an investment. An investment produces money for us even when we're not working. Remember that. So we need to focus on investing in assets and building assets, right? If we want to build a business, to raise capital from the front end, from direct sales, and from the back end. It needs to be on autopilot, okay, using systems. A business is supposed to make money without us being present in the business to make money. It's supposed to solve the problem that is made to solve, right? Because each business is made and is built to solve a problem. If you look at any business out there, you'll be able to tell that they're here to solve a problem. So what is the problem that you want to solve in the world? What type of impact do we want to make, right? We all have the ability to showcase our skills, talents through art, creating businesses, investing in different causes that we are passionate about. So why are you here? That's the question, right? A lot of people are walking by default and they don't even know that they have greatness inside of them. Right? Greatness is inside of everybody. But the point is that we need to bring that greatness out of us through honing our craft, paying attention to it, like being in that craft, being in that zone, in that environment. So whatever you're great at, whatever moves you, you don't have to be great to get started, okay? But we do have to get started to become great. So failure is part of the journey. We can avoid mistakes and we can learn from our mistakes, but we can avoid mistakes most importantly because we can learn from other people's mistakes. We don't have to. There's nothing that says learn from our mistakes. We got to learn from mistakes, but not from we don't have to go through the mistakes to learn the hard way. We can just say, okay, that person failed by doing that. We're not doing that. We're not going to repeat that cycle because the formulas to creating wealth are already built for us. They're already there. We don't need to reinvent anything, right? Thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. So make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be doing a live stream very soon. Hope you're having a great day. So yeah, so we're going to be talking about how to create the sales funnel, how to create a bridge page. So a bridge page, let me finish what I was saying. So once the lead goes into the capture page or the landing page or the squeeze page, right? It's a one simple website that collects the emails and names of potential buyers because they are giving us the information because they are looking for a solution and they're also wanting what we're offering them, maybe a free video, a gift, a PDF, a case study, testimonials, more information about the product. And then from that page, it will be them going into their information, going to our email autoresponder where we can communicate with them. We can see who opens the email. We can monitor our email campaign to them and we can adjust and tweak whatever is not working. So if we see that maybe a subject line is not being open, the open rate is not enough, people are not opening, then we need to change the subject line. We start tweaking. And then we have calls of actions embedded inside of the emails and we can see who clicks on those calls of actions, right? And then once they end up on an email autoresponder, they themselves will end up on the sales page of that product immediately. Right when they, hey, send me the PDF, I want it, send, they will be directed to the sales page of that product because maybe they want the product right there and there. And the sales page is going to encourage them to buy. It's going to educate them. It's going to give them testimonials, reviews. Who created the sales page? The company who created the product. We didn't even touch the product or created that sales page. Our link is unique to us. That's why we're going to earn a commission every time that person pays on that company for any type of product. So if it's a subscription product, if you go to clickbank.com, you can find products there, thousands of products, hundreds of thousands of products in any type of niche. And you can start earning commissions today and residual income if it's a subscription product, right? So, but you can also turn those commissions on autopilot and turn it into passive income by making sure that there is a flow of leads coming in that are hot leads that are turning into sales on autopilot. And then that income will convert into passive income because it's in a steady growth, it's in a steady growing income coming to us whenever we're not working through systems. All right? So, and then the bridge page will be adding a video before they hit to the sales page. We will add a video if we like to do videos ourselves, so we can create it. If we don't like to, then we can create an AI video. And we put a video between the capture page and the sales page. And it's called a bridge page. It builds rapport with the individual. So we can say, thank you for opting in to our capture page. Check out your email. We send you the PDF that we promised you with more information about the product. It's highly recommended. If you use it yourself, then you can tell them your experience. If not, you can say, check out the testimonials on the next page. Let us know if you have any questions. And then it helps them get even more warmed up, makes them feel real, like, okay, they're talking to somebody real. This is an authentic people. I can call them, right? So that's a bridge page, and that helps us close a lot of sales on autopilot, all right? And it brings that relationship with those clients because when they get our emails, they're going to say, oh, that's the guy from that video, from that bridge page. If you're going to do a video yourself, if not, then you get artificial intelligence to do it for us. We can pay a real person to do it for us. There are websites where we can go in there, freelancers that will charge very little to do a 10-second video, okay? And it can be very professional, catering to our company. Like I said, you don't have to be a master investor. You don't have to have videos of your face anywhere. You don't have to put your face. It's about creating investments in assets that produce passive income and capital gains income. I'll see you on the next live stream, all right? Thank you for joining. I appreciate you. Bringing you the good and bad news of money, the business principles that work in all economies. Stay great and wealthy. Talk to you soon. And make sure you go to the link in the description and get in our inner circle. We have digital courses to help you build that asset column. Get our ebooks, the 10 new rules of money, how to build cash flow with the internet, turn passive income on, and how to invest in crypto to build wealth. And we're working on our 4th ebook. It should be released in the next month. Stay tuned and see you later. Bye.